Welcome to my new channel. This is lifestyle, could be a little bit of beauty, kids, family oriented, you know, home aesthetics type stuff. This house is 100 years old that I'm in, so please excuse the kitchen. It is old school, and my dog is drinking water right now. I got my little Gatorade, and I am gonna cook muffins for my 3-year-old. I have a 3-year-old daughter named Olivia, so if you're new here, go ahead and subscribe. My name is Antoinette. I'll leave my Instagram below. That's where I'm most active, but I'm making my own little channel here. I do have a beauty YouTube channel, but I want to use this one for lifestyle stuff. Anyways, super windy out right now, but I'm gonna make carrot mini muffins. To me, I hate carrot cake, but my daughter needs fiber in her diet, like badly, so we're gonna try to make these muffins tasty. You know what I mean? We're gonna try to make them tasty for her, kind of hide the taste or like the fiber in it. So let's go. My mother-in-law got me this cookbook, and I saw a recipe for mini muffins, which we're gonna do. I'm gonna go ahead and prepare all my stuff, like shred the carrots and get all the little things. And I think I'm gonna shred the carrots and then come back to you guys, because shredding carrots is gonna be like annoying. So I'll be back. So I grated my carrots. I hate that, like I hated it. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put the flour, all of the dry ingredients in here. So, all right, I brought you guys closer because it was so hard to show you what I was doing. 1/4 teaspoon TSP, hopefully it is TSP, 1/4 of baking powder. I feel like that's a lot. I think that looks like a lot. 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. I'll put this in the description. This is a 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. I'm gonna get some ground cinnamon in here. The only thing I'm not putting in here is the ginger because I don't have it. Sad, but I don't. 1/2 teaspoon of ginger. Or I'm sorry, this is a 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. I put a little bit more because I like mine cinnamony. I wish I could add chocolate chips to this. Should I try? Just for the fun of it. Teaspoon of salt, 1/4 cup of brown sugar. I love brown sugar, you guys. I'm using a whisker, and I don't think that this is for this, but we're gonna whisk all that together. Dry ingredients, that's what it says. See, I always mess up with this kind of stuff, but we're gonna go by the playbook, you know? I do enjoy baking, but I'm not very good at it. It doesn't ever taste great. 1/4 cup of yogurt. 1/4 cup of canola. 1/4 cup of canola oil. Oh yeah, that's a lot of oil. All right, perfect. Large eggs. 1. Fuck. 2. You know. Okay. So we have our dry ingredients and our wet ingredients. I'm whisking this. This is gonna suck. Stir my carrots. A cup of carrots, guys. And I'm supposed to stir this in with a rubber spatula. Add flour mixture until combined. All right. I might add some chocolate chips so she'll eat it. Let's see how the batter tastes. We'll see. I hate carrots. It's tasty though. Okay, now I'm just gonna use like a teaspoon to guide how much I should put in this. No, this is a tablespoon. And I'm just putting a tablespoon in each one. So hopefully that's enough. I feel like, these are gonna be good. We're gonna put them in the oven, 375. I'm gonna wait, I think it says about 30 minutes. We'll see, because these are bigger muffins, probably gonna take 45 minutes, but we'll see. The nice thing is that you guys don't have to wait. In the next clip, they'll be done, and I'm gonna be doing a taste test, so we'll see. So they are all done. They're not the prettiest, but let's see if they are tasty. Let's see what they taste like. I'll try the ugliest one. This is the ugliest one, because I know that my daughter won't eat the ugliest one. She's very picky. Ooh. They're very hot still. I can't wait. It's see, I hope it's tasty for her. They're tasty. I think she's gonna like them because there's so much chocolate chips in them. I'm scared to eat it all because I'm allergic to dairy, and I like especially yogurt, and I put yogurt in here. But these are bomb. She's gonna like them, 100%. There's a lot of chocolate in this one. Where do I think I got this one? Shit. Damn it, I put a lot of chocolate. I keep eating it. I'm scared I'm gonna get stomachache, but it's so good. Good stuff. I recommend this recipe. Put in chocolate chips, but not as many as I did. Literally, it's all chocolate chips. It's super good. If there's a dairy alternative, to this recipe, let me know. Because I don't really want to put yogurt. Maybe I put applesauce instead. What do you think? That's some good stuff. My daughter's gonna love it. All right, I will talk to you guys later. Thank you for watching my new channel. Go ahead and subscribe. I want to get to 1,000 subscribers. You know what I mean? So let's get this journey going. I have a lot of house stuff to update you guys on, and because our new home is coming along, it's almost done. And yeah, I'm excited. So go ahead and follow me here and on Instagram. I have a personal Instagram as well. And I will see you guys later.